all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
More than 160 groups of researchers across the world are in their quest for an effective COVID-19 vaccine. Researchers are also finding new symptoms caused by the deadly virus. Meanwhile, Russian scientists have allegedly understood the weak spot of the novel coronavirus. According to recent reports, the research team from Russia's Vector State Research Center of Virology and Biotechnology of Novosibirsk in Serbia, which has made the discovery. The team has discovered that room temperature water can actually put a pause on the growth of highly infectious contagion. The researchers have identified that normal water can help in restricting the growth of novel coronavirus. In the study, it was found that 90% of the particles of the coronavirus died in room temperature water in a span of 24 hours, while 99.9% were killed in 72 hours. Russian researchers have further found that the novel coronavirus immediately succumbed to the boiling water as it kills the virus immediately. According to another report, the team of researchers also found that chlorinated water is really effective in killing the virus. It was also found that coronavirus did not multiply in chlorinated water and seawater, even though it can survive for some time. The lifespan of the contagion directly depended on the temperature of the water. However, Russia is aiming to start the production of its coronavirus vaccine next month, which has been developed by the Gamaleya Institute in Moscow. We are very much counting on starting mass production in September. We will be able to ensure production volumes of several hundred thousands a month, with an eventual increase in several millions by the start of next year. And developer is preparing production technology at 3 locations in central Russia. Apart from the discovery, Russia has been making big progress in developing a vaccine candidate to fight the pandemic. According to recent reports, the country is planning to launch a mass vaccination campaign against the novel coronavirus in the month of October. It is also believed that the frontline workers, including doctors and teachers, will be first in line to receive the vaccine. But the big question to everyone is, can Russia launch a vaccine in October? On July 15, the Russian scientists had announced that the preliminary trials of its adenovirus-based vaccine candidate developed by Gamaleya Institute were completed. As per media reports, the country's health minister, Mikhail Murashko, has already made a statement to begin extensive vaccination in October, a statement which has garnered suspicion from experts worldwide.